Good day, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at Nasdaq, US30, gold, and GU. So these are the same pairs that we looked at last week on Sunday, and then we did our market review on Friday. The video was posted yesterday on YouTube, so you can just check that under the Friday session playlist. And we also shared how we would have caught some of the trade, and then what else did we share on that video? Yeah, I think that was it. Yeah. So let's waste more time and get to this video quickly. So this week we have a lot of fundamentals. I think on Wednesday or Tuesday, we have the Fed speaking. So we might expect some consolidation, right? So as we can see on US30, we did broke these highs. We were in an uptrend. We were expecting buys. And then what now currently happening is that we are getting rejections around this area here. We did have this high and then we broke, but then we broke back in. So what we can expect now is for price to do what? Let's see how price is going to react at these areas. But then if you go to lower time frame, you will notice that that price might push down to these areas. If you can just move this resistance, this area here, so we can expect, let me just use my horizontal ray. Horizontal ray. Okay, so, and then we have this support here. So what we can expect now is for price to come back to this level, market open, or push even further to this area. And then we can also, if market start rejecting here, we're going to start looking for buys to the upside, right? And then we're going to see how price is going to react here. So this week is going to be a very interesting week because we have also the Fed speaking. So I don't have much to share on US30. We just we're expecting price for price to push to the downside, or if we are continuing with this bullish market, what we're going to see is, let's go to 4-hour quickly. We're going to see price doing what? Pushing to the upside, giving us a higher low, and then we start pushing to the upside, right? So let's wait for the market open and see how price is going to react. But I see price dropping to 35,300. I see price dropping to 35,300. So this might happen tomorrow or market open tonight, and then we can start seeing price pushing back up or staying in the range until the Feds share their information regarding the interest rates. So this is going to be it on US30. What you can expect is price to push down, and then if we're seeing rejections here, and then we're going to start buying, and then if price breaks to the downside, we're waiting for what? A break in retest, and then we sell the market, right? And then if we continue to push to the upside, waiting for the same thing for price to do what? Give us a high and then come back, retest on the support, and then we start looking for buys. So that's going to be it on US30. Now let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100. I'm looking the one for when is it NAS 100? Yeah, then. Okay, so same thing here. Sorry, same thing on this one. We are waiting for. Let me just go to 4-hour. So same thing on Nasdaq. This week, this was last week. We have this high, and then price pushed down. We came back. We failed to break this previous high. So now we have this area which price is respecting. So what we can expect is that price to push down and then come to this level here, which is 15,000. And then that's where we're going to start looking for buys if price is going to reject and push the upside. But then if we break 15,000, we're going to start looking for what? We're going to start looking for sells, right? But then the moment price breaks to the downside, what you need to wait for price to do is to come back, give you a sign to start selling, and then we go to the downside, right? But for now, with the events, with the news this week, the market for me is currently giving signs of a range, right? Currently giving signs of a range. So expect a drop to 15,000. If we continue to break the upside, I'm gonna be more comfortable to take a buys if we break this high here, right? And then I can start looking for buys. But then if we don't break this highs, then what I can expect here is price rejecting, pushing to the downside. So let's wait. Or the other thing that might happen is that price might come back, and then let me just remove this. So price might come back. Sorry, let me just put the array. So if we break these highs, the price might come back, reject here, or reject to these areas, right? So, and then this is where I'm going to be comfortable taking buys after we have broken these highs. But then if we don't break these highs, and then we just reject in these areas, so I'm going to be looking for sells, pushing price to 15,000. So that's going to be it on Nasdaq. So now let's look at gold. Let's go to gold. Okay, gold. Currently gold is bullish. Gold is bullish, as you guys can see. Let me just delete this. Was Friday set markups. So looking at gold, we have this bullish momentum, and then we started pushing to the upside. We break these areas, and now we have this high. We have these areas here, which is 18,000. So we can see gold pushing to 18,000. If we get rejections, we're selling gold back down to, let's say 1760. So that's where we're gonna be looking to sell gold to. So let's wait for price to get to 18,000 and then see how price is going to react here, right? Let's see how price is going to react in these areas, and then we're gonna start looking for sells. But then if we break 18,000, and then I can start looking for a buy, and then with my TP at these highs, you know, this is another area that we need to pay attention to, because the market might react when it gets here and then maybe drop to the downside. So on gold, we are going to be expecting for price to push up, see if we get rejections, we're selling. And then if we break 18,000, we are expecting for price to do what? To come back, give us a retest, and then we push the upside, right? When you buy around 18,000, just make sure that you pay attention to these areas here, right, on these highs. So that's going to be it on gold. And then let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD, we have this double bottom here where price is rejecting, and then we have this range here. We just broke out of this range, and then price, sorry, so we broke out of this range, and then now price is currently sitting in this range. We have the lows here, which we're respecting, which is giving us a double bottom, and then we have this high, which is respecting the previous high. So price is starting to react around this area, and then what we can expect from this is for price to give us a reaction here, and then if we get rejection, we start looking for sells, pushing price down to these areas, and then we see how price is going to react here. If we break this area, we can expect a break, retest, and then we're looking for buys with our TP at these highs, right? And then if the market pushes down after we got this rejection, then we sell with our TP at these lows. If we break these lows, let's expect price to come back, retest, and then we're looking for sells. So that's going to be it on our market focus this week. So the market might be in a consolidation because we even have news this week. So let's expect some volatility in the market, right? So yeah, that's it. That's it from us this week. We're gonna see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comments, Let us know what you guys think, which pair you're looking at. Do you guys take some of the setups that we send on our Sunday forecast? No, Sunday market forecast, yes. If you take them and then it plays out, let us know. If you don't take them, let us know. If you want us to look at other pairs, you just throw up in the comment box. And then yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.